Yeah, it looks like there was a bit of a snowstorm here last night. Not much of a day for hula dancing. But I got it mostly cleaned up now. Here's what happened. Yeah, here we are, take two. It's January 11 and 2016 already. And you can see not hardly anything for snow around here today. The other day, 2 days ago, there was a big windstorm came through, coming up from Texas somewhere, and El Nino took away all our snow. A big rainstorm came, and that was the end of the snow. But tonight, there's going to be another storm, they say. So we'll see how much snow is on those guys tomorrow sometime. And I might even have to get the blower out and everything. That noise back here is the dog's got a... Yeah, he's quite happy with that noisemaker. That was a Christmas present for the dog. Or sometime around then. Yeah. Makes lots of good noise. Anyway, all for now till tomorrow or something. I forgot. Well, all for now is not over. The bay is looking pretty clear of ice. There's some ice around the edges of the bay. Yeah, so here we are about 12 hours later. And there's a little bit of snow now. It started around midnight last night, and maybe 1 o'clock in the morning or 2 o'clock in the morning, who knows. But I guess I'll have to remove some snow today. Snow removal day. Yeah, and it's still snowing, you can tell. Well, there was birds here. There's one. Trying to hang on. All the chickadees. They're happy the snowstorm's over. And the bay is, you can see right across the bay now. Well, one quad track down the trail. I think it's time to go and move some snow. Yeah, it looks like we got a bit of snow overnight. My little snowblower there is kind of covered up. The cars have got a little bit on them. I'll get out here and do some snow removal. Yeah, it's not as much as we got in the big storms last year, but it's a little bit there. Here we are. That's the garage door. So I'll get down there and open that, and then we'll see about getting the tractor going. Watch it come out. Yeah, so here we are, coming up the driveway now, up by the woodpile and stuff. Give it a go. I'm gonna have to move it that way a bit. So we got quite a bit of it done. Got all the front of the house done here, and you can look way out there and see out to the roadway. Cleaned out by the mailbox and everything. Well, we got just a little bit more to do here. It's nice and sunny now. We'll go down the trail here. And that'll be all the blowing today. Yeah, all over the place. Now I guess I gotta clean the snow off the back of there, or else it'll go in the garage and in the shop and be all melted all over the place in there. Yeah, time to fill it up after all that. Yeah, and there's the cleaned out driveway. And Dougie's going nuts over something out there. Wait and see. There we go. All done. Got it. All the snow blown out of the way. Now I guess I just got to take the doggies for a walk to the beach.